I called in on October 25th. My credit card was compromised. Walmart sent me out a new one. Didn't receive that one, so they canceled that one, sent out a new one, and then didn't get that one, so canceled that one, and then they sent out a new one.
But then I will be processing an expedite card with you.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know a bunch of you are new subscribers. I think we've hit 800 subscribers today, which is absolutely incredible. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. Thanks for subscribing. If you guys are new to here to the channel, my name is Steve. I live in the van most of the year. Whenever my kids come down, we head over to my mom's place and we hang out there for a little while, and then sometimes we go camping. But regardless of that, I'm in this van most of the time to save on rent money. So today, it's just kind of been hanging out in the van. I made a few phone calls, got some stuff figured out. Hopefully pretty soon I will be getting my credit card back in the mail. And then once that happens, we can actually finally take off and hit the road. Man, I kind of wish I stayed up north for like another day or two, but it's not like it would have made much of a difference, because I was looking at the weather and it's only like -8, -7 degrees Celsius, which is not even 10 Fahrenheit. When I dropped off my son, I made a little video of my little trip up north, and it hit like 5,000 views in like 2 days. I couldn't believe it. Crazy. So I think that's just a huge topic that everybody loves to watch, is cold weather in the van. Now, there's no cold weather here. I'm actually quite shocked, quite literally, the fact that we have no snow here. Like, what is this? This is the Okanagan? No. That's not the Okanagan. Yes, it is. This is Cal Lake. You can tell by the lake color. It's like green over there. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is beautiful up here. I love this spot. Regardless, we're gonna take off down the road. We got a little bit of an adventure today. We're gonna go find some stickers for the van. Well, we're not gonna go find stickers. We're gonna go have somebody print out some stickers for our van. Now that I've rebranded my channel name to SpikedVanlife, which I like so much better than the Speckles me. So we're gonna take off the old stickers, and then we're gonna put on some new stickers. We're gonna head down the road and we're gonna go back to the place where I got these stickers printed out. The place is called Graphic Enterprises Limited Signs and Designs, and they hooked me up. They did a great deal. So we're gonna head down there again, because I couldn't find anywhere place in Vancouver to get any stickers printed out like that. We're also gonna shower, get all cleaned up. Yesterday didn't really do much. I kind of hung out in the van, played some video games, did a little bit of exercising, and yeah, other than that, I mean, my muscles are a little bit sore from yesterday, but that's all right. All right, guys, let's go down the road and join me on my little adventure of life with Spike. All right, I made it. I'm gonna go see if they can help me out. All right, the lady got us all taken care of, so we're gonna head down. We're gonna go have a shower. I need a shower. It's been a couple days. Maybe we'll go do a workout. Do a workout and a shower, yeah. All right, let's head out. Let's go have a shower. There's no table, no chair, no nothing. So hopefully these hooks strong enough to hold my bag. There's one over here. This is like a command strip. I did bring it up to the owners, but they didn't put a table in here yet. Okay, I found myself a little spot to park tonight, and we're gonna go head there. I mean, we're pretty much done everything we needed to do today, so let's go find a place to park and hang out for the day. Preferably with a nice view. All right, guys, see you guys down the road. Well, I found this place on the side of the road. It's not that flat though, but it's not too bad. It'll be alright for a little while. Van is literally on a slant here. It's like this. Well, it's the flattest place I could find. Yeah, we'll probably end up leaving a little bit later, but this is fine for now. Can't believe it though. It's such a pretty view out. Very beautiful. Just gotta love these snow-covered mountains, eh? It's just so pretty. So I'm just outside of Lake Country on the Okanagan Lake side, not the Wood Lake, Cow Lake side, which is all over there on the other side of this mountain. Yeah, we'll figure here, we'll just stay here, have a cup of tea, relax, have dinner. I'm starving, so I did get these printed out because it's gonna take a couple days. And then we got a new one that we're gonna put across the window here. So we're gonna pull these off here probably in the next couple days. Put some new ones on. I got 4 brand new printed ones. We're gonna pull off the old name, put the new rebranded SpikedVanlife on there. That way when I'm driving around, people can actually see, go, oh yeah, he's a van lifer, look at that, he's SpikedVanlife, you know. And then I'll go, yeah, I remember I've seen him on driving down the road. Or it's always nice to see when people find my van driving down the road or go, I seen your van today. And they add me on their subscriber list. And whether or not they watch all my videos, it's still really cool to see that people are taking notice. They can follow me on YouTube just by looking at the logo of my van. So we're gonna hop back in the van. We're gonna make a cup of tea. I'm starving and I'm thirsty. It's nice and warm in here, but yeah, if I sat still, I would just fall over on this bucket. So this place isn't quite the best place to stop, but it's good enough for me. Not gonna be doing much. I think I'm just gonna watch some Netflix or play some video games and hang out in the van. Just hanging out here waiting for my credit card, which is severely disappointing considering we're almost on our 3rd month waiting for this credit card, which completely sucks. It is what it is. I'm just gonna deal with it. Life on the road, traveling, you know, things like that. Then on top of it, the Canada Post strike. So hopefully everything, the backlogs will be going through pretty quick and I'll be able to get my credit card in my hands finally. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Hopefully the next video is a little bit more exciting than today's video. But thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along on my little adventure. I know it wasn't really too long, but it is what it is. Hopefully pretty soon we'll start going fishing, maybe do a little bit of steelhead fishing, and then we'll go explore the Vancouver Island if we can. If we got enough time, that is, because I gotta be back here in mid-March to pick up the kids, hang out with them for a few weeks, so that'll be my downtime, and then we'll start our spring travel season. We'll see where we're going. I haven't even made any plans yet and what I'm doing for my spring season yet. But thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in the next episode. Peace out.